Hello, welcome to my channel Hipposcene. Today we're going to be talking about San Francisco Charles chocolates. We're going to be talking about the price, the weight, location, what you're going to be getting in the box, opening the box and taking a look at the chocolates inside, and also any notes that you need to take away regarding these San Francisco Charles chocolate. Now, before I get started, please do hit the subscribe button, and I will be posting videos often and frequently, weekly. And also, if you like this and enjoyed this video, if it added some value to you, please do hit the like button on this video. Thank you. So let's get started. Okay, so basic San Francisco Charles chocolate. They are located in San Francisco, California. Now, basically, you can go to the website or you can actually go into the shop. I bought this box from the shop. It cost me $24 before tax. And the item weight for this box, which is considered a small size, is 3.2 ounce or 90 grams. They do sell a large box for 6.4 ounce and 180 grams. Now, the location for San Francisco Charles chocolate in San Francisco is located in 2650 18th Street, San Francisco, California, 94110. You can also go to their website and get information on their location if you like. They're basically located in the Mission District of San Francisco, California. And so if you're going to be visiting San Francisco and you're a chocolate connoisseur and you love chocolate, this may be a place to visit. Now, how many pieces are in a box of these chocolates? There are basically 10 pieces and you're paying $24. So from a monetary price standpoint, you're paying a premium because you're paying over $2 for one piece of chocolate. Now, I would definitely welcome hearing from people regarding the comments on how this compares to Godiva or any other chocolate brands that tickle your fancy. So, as I said earlier, before I open it, please also make a note that, and they say it on the website too, when you purchase a box of these chocolate, it's best to eat it within 1 month of your date of receipt. So just make a note of that. Very important note. So let's open this. Now, I just want to put a disclaimer out there that when I bought this box, I actually opened it and ate 3 to 4 pieces. So, I just want to put that out there. So let's go ahead and open it. And after I open it, I'll actually go through the list of pieces that are in the box, which is a total of 10 pieces. So let's open this. So you just open this band. And then basically what it is that it has this plastic right here that is sealed. And basically you just break this plastic and it's a flip box. So you flip the box open and you take out this piece right here. And as you can see, there's your chocolate. So I've ate about 4 pieces. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 pieces left. So this gives you an idea of what you're getting. They're pretty creative. They give you hearts, squares, butterflies, and they all have some texture on them too. And they're like dark chocolate and also milk chocolate. So let me go ahead and let you guys know what kind of pieces you get in this box. Now, this is a really nice box. It's quite small, and basically, it's all handcrafted in San Francisco, California. Their website is www.charleschocolates.com. So in the box, you actually get a bittersweet peanut butterfly. And then you also get a piece of classic Fleur de Sel caramel. You also get a piece called Mayor Lemon Yankee, which is one of those mini square ones. And then you also get the Mojito Heart. That one is actually pretty good. You also get the passion fruit heart. And basically, as I said, the hearts. So those pieces that have hearts, which is total of 3 pieces, those are the first 2 pieces. And the final piece is the raspberry heart. You also get an espresso caramel, 1 piece. And then you get a blood orange Yankee, which is your second piece for the Yankee pieces. You also get a bittersweet Fleur de Sel caramel second piece. The first piece was a classic. And then the final piece that you get is a milk chocolate peanut butterfly. And the first piece that I named, which was the bittersweet one, this one is a milk chocolate one, the final piece that you get. So as you can see, they're kind of giving you a piece that's kind of like a milk chocolate, and then kind of a piece that's more of a bittersweet in the butterfly's case. But all in all, when I ate this, it was really good. I mean, I can really taste the peanut butter when I tried the peanut butter piece, the peanut butter heart, and it was really fresh. So let me go ahead and open this back up again. Let you take a look. Put the cover sheet back on, and then let me close it back. And I'll just leave it right here so you can take a look at it. So when I had this chocolate, the thought that came to mind was, hey, I'm paying a premium price for this. How does this actually add value to the price that I'm paying? What I can say from my experience is that the chocolate themselves and also the fillings that are inside, whether it's the peanut butter or it's any of the other fillings inside, you can really taste the difference in there. An example, when I buy pieces from Godiva, which I've tried before, and they're really great chocolate themselves. Um, the thing that stands out from San Francisco Charles chocolate is there's this aroma that when I bit into that piece, the peanut butter, I can really taste that peanut, like it's the freshness. Not saying that Godiva is not fresh. Godiva is great itself, but just from a value standpoint, the price that I'm paying for Charles chocolate in San Francisco, it was a valuable chocolate piece that I had based on the price. So it actually matched the price. Now, would I be buying San Francisco Charles chocolate every day? Um, I'm probably not. But maybe once in a while, maybe for gifts, maybe just for special occasions. So, you know, if you get a chance to come into California and visit the city of San Francisco, definitely I would recommend taking a stab at the Mission District in San Francisco and trying San Francisco Charles chocolate. Again, it was $25 for this box, which is considered a small box, but you can always get a bigger box, which they have. And they have a lot of other stuff too. So feel free to check out their website. I also want to just put it out there that I don't have any affiliation with San Francisco Charles Chocolate. Basically, I just bought a box and I wanted to try it. And I just made a decision to why not share it with everybody after I had 4 pieces, as you can see, with 6 left. After trying it, and once I bit into the pieces, there was like this punch that wow, this is pretty good. I'm paying a premium price, but the value that I got from it was that it is pretty good, the pieces. So I just wanted to put it out there so everybody knows. And if you happen to be, again, purchasing any of this chocolate from San Francisco Charles Chocolate, leave me a comment. Let me know what your thoughts are. Do you feel that the value that from a price standpoint that you paid for this do you feel the value was was a good value, basically what it comes down to, or not. So yeah, let me know. I definitely welcome your comments. And once again, just hope you will subscribe to my videos. And if you like this video, please hit the like button. Thank you. More videos to come. Bye-bye.